Welcome to Tutorific.
Hello, I'm teacher Lande and I'm from the sun-soaked shores of South Africa, nestled in the lush mountains of KwaZulu-Natal. My hometown is only a stone's throw away from the sparkling ocean. I love taking my 9-year-old son to the beach to watch waves, build sandcastles, and even dive into the underwater world, discovering all sorts of amazing sea creatures. So, are you ready for an under the sea adventure, dance party, or a friendly game? I invite you into my classroom and join me on this fun educational journey. See you soon!